Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the turn signals on your trailer. If your trailer turn signals do not work, we'll explain which fuse you need to check, where it's located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see, like the J-case fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you, those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the fuse for the trailer turn signals, where it's located, we'll demonstrate on 2015 Honda Odyssey. You guys may have up to 5 different fuse boxes on your Honda Odyssey, but the fuse box that we'll need to open today will be, if you open the trunk on your Honda Odyssey, that's, guys, right here, the seat, third row seat. And guys, what you need to do, and you need to come right here, you can see that cover, you need to pop it open. The moment you open that cover, you guys will see a fuse box layout like that. You may have more fuses or less depending on which option you have. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, which fuse we need to check for the turn signal? Okay, trailer turn signals. If you come from top right here, you have fuse number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the little fuses. Then you come to the bottom, you have fuse number 9, 10, 11. If you have that factory option for trailer turn signals, you will have that fuse right here. The third fuse from left to right, little fuse, guys. This one right there. So that will be the fuse that you will need to check specifically right there. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.